I saw one of the legislators on television talking about you and mentioning the fact that she was not carried along. Well, she's a member of the Senate. Once the decision is taken, she is bound by the decision. So please ignore every distraction and then be rest assured that no matter what you do, not everybody will praise you.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now recall that the contention between the Senator of the Federal Capital Territory in person of Senator Ireti Kingibe and the FCT Minister in person of Barrister Nyesom Wike had gained media attention. However, reacting to this, Senator Godswil Akpabio, who is the President of the Senate, reacted and reprimanded the Senator for her actions and her words against the FCT Minister. Let's take a look at what he said, and I'll be coming back to give you the reactions of what the Senate has done in respect to what Godswil Akpabio has said to Senator Kingibe. Please do want to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about this back and front, and we shall continually be here to serve you.
So please ignore every distraction and then be rest assured that no matter what you do, not everybody will praise you. No matter what you do, others will still try to find faults. Some were saying, why roads alone? But look at where we are now. We are now about to flag off a major infrastructure that will touch the lives of people from Karo, Nyanya, and others.
So guys, reacting to the actions of Senator Godswil Akpabio, Legit News puts it this way. It says, Senate takes action after Akpabio talked down on colleague for challenging Wike. The Senate has gone into a closed-door section following Senator Ireti Kingibe's question on why the budget of the FCT was raised without her input. Kingibe and the FCT Minister, Nyesom Wike, have been in a war of words over the running of the FCT affairs, and the latter has vowed to unseat her in 2027.
I challenge the legislature. If you are very, very popular, 2027, come and run on Abuja. We will sell you.
Information has it that the Senate has gone into a sitting to react to what Senator Godswil Akpabio has done to Senator Kingibe. And I keep saying something. I said most of the time the responses of Godswil Akpabio actually baffles me. Seriously, sometimes I have issues with Godswil Akpabio with his response to issues. I'm reliably informed that Godswil Akpabio and Nyesom Wike have had a very cognate relationship. However, Godswil Akpabio must understand the difference between an elected official and an appointed official. Because an elected official is a person that has the backing of the people. But an appointed official is a person that has the backing of the person that is the president. And obviously, the people come before even the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I expect more than that from somebody like Godswil Akpabio. The truth of the matter is that I expected him to ask or advise the FCT Minister and the FCT Senator to work in synergy. You would agree with me that the request of Senator Kingibe is not out of place. That despite the fact that you're doing infrastructural development, you should also concentrate on human capital development, which is what most Nigerian politicians do not concentrate on. They do infrastructural development in their own little way, but human capital development is also very important. And those were her keywords that the people have been coming to her to ask that they should concentrate also on human capital development. And I don't think that is out of place. Please, I'd like you to go to the comment section and drop your thoughts. Let's get to know what you think about the words of Senator Kingibe and the FCT Minister in person of Nyesom Wike, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.